So let's look at the last one here of example 3 of directory traversal. So we can see here in this URL, in this link here that I've pasted on the terminal, in example 3, we've got the parameter called file, and then it's equal to hacker. So that is the file hacker.png. But the problem is when we change this, it's not going to work because that file doesn't exist, right? Automatically saying that there is a PNG file. So if we do something like test, it's not going to work because it's not a PNG file. And you're probably wondering, why doesn't it have .png at the end of it? The reason is because it's this. I've just added this in the text file. So this is some basic PHP code here to show you kind of what the application is doing. So we got the path, which is the directory where the uploaded directory is of the file. And we can see here, it's the file, and then we got .png. So it's already expecting that it's a PNG file. Then what happens is, this is the path that says that this must be the file name, okay? So the way that you kind of escape this parameter here is to do something like this. This will work here. So you'll go ahead and you can actually copy this and add it into the parameter. I'll just click copy selection, add it, and there we go. It worked.